Hey guys, it's Melanie from UMI Performance here to let you know about the new Stage 3 and 3.5 handling kits for your second gen F-body cars. UMI's Stage 3 handling kit is suitable for daily driving as well as corner carving and features everything you need to transform your second gen F-body from a land yacht to a modern handling, fun to drive muscle car. The kit comes with everything you see, including all the necessary hardware for installation, and is made in the USA with USA materials. Caster-corrected upper and lower A-arms, combined with a tall ball joint in the upper arm and Delring bushings in the lower A-arm, improves caster for stability as well as camber gain for cornering. UMI's slim body monotube shocks feature comfortable compression and sporty rebound damping to control body movement and improve rebound when hitting transitions on your favorite back road. The second gen platform responds nicely to the heavy-duty 1.25" sway bar, which prevents body roll and makes the car much more fun and easy to drive. Lowering springs and lowering leafs take away that floating feeling so common with soft springs. The UMI design leafs include laser-cut shackles and poly bushings for a comfortable ride. The Stage 3.5 kit is the same as the Stage 3 kit, but features these upgraded Viking Performance dual adjustable shocks at all four corners. The fronts are a hybrid coilover and the rears are a smooth body shock. All four feature 19 compression and 19 rebound settings to dial in your ride perfectly. For more information or to place your order, visit the UMI Performance website or email us at support@umiperformance.com.